Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to put crypto on Trezor. Connect your Trezor, open Trezor Suite, and follow the on-screen setup prompts to initialize safely. Choose a strong PIN and record the recovery seed on paper in 2 secure locations. Verify every receive address on the Trezor screen before sending funds, and only transfer small test amounts first to confirm everything works as expected. Update your Trezor firmware through Trezor Suite before use to ensure the latest security fixes. Keep your recovery seed completely offline and split backups across secure locations if needed, and never photograph or type it into devices. A passphrase adds strong protection, but also increases recovery responsibility, so only use one if you understand the risk. Treat the Trezor and its seed as the primary way to control your crypto assets. To receive crypto, generate an address on the Trezor and confirm it on the device screen to avoid malware interception. When sending from an exchange or software wallet, always send a small test amount first to verify the address and network fees. For ERC20 and other token transfers, make sure the wallet supports the token and select the correct account within Trezor Suite to avoid lost funds during cross-chain or incompatible token transfers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.